Alright, here we go. Second round robin game here for the Lightning blue team from before. 48's in, Sauces it for 17, leads a little too much. Both of these teams won their first round robin games. 24 tries to dump for 17 and deep. 24 cuts it off. 17 now. Weak backhander. 17 now. 11's on him. Pass picked off by 5. 5 now. In and a breakaway. 5's in. Shot and goal. 5 just picked off that pass from 17. Took it tape to tape. 1-0 Gray. 24 versus 5 on the draw. Gray controls. Dumps it under for 11. 11's there. 24's on him. 24 takes it away. 24's in. Shot. Nope. Height. 24. 11 battle on him. 24 takes it away. Poked. He's doubled. 11 up the board for 3. 3 had 5. 3's across. Long shot. Wide. 24's there. 24 now. Looking for clear the zone for 48. Bounces over a stick. 3 controls. Up for 5 for Gray. He's in. 5 shot. Blocker save. Into the corner. 5's there. 67's on him. Nice move by 5. Going strong. Oh, backhand wraparound. Nice save. Bounces out. 67 clears the zone. 11 controls for Gray. 11 up for 5. Chips for 3. 3 by 17. 17 up for 48. Tries the sauce at 11, takes it away. 3 now's across. Taken away. 67. 67's in. He's in. 67. Oh, nice poke there. Bouncing ball. And cover. 67 came in free on a breakaway. 12 shuts him down. Came out with the poke check. Still 1-0 Gray here. 3:40 left in the first period. 67 versus 3 on the draw. 3 wins it back to 10. 10 off the boards. 3 by 17. 17 with the big hack. Around the boards. 11 battles 24. 11 comes away with it. 11 centers. Shot and goal. 11. Nice work from 11. Got by 24. Took it under. And got it to 3 on the doorstep. 2-0 Gray here. 17 retreats for blue. He carries. 17 tries to carry. Chipped off. Thrown in. Goaltender. 24's in now. 24's in. Behind. 11's on him. 24. 24. Oh, nice look. 17. Oh, shut down. 24 with the nifty little pass. 17 on the doorstep. Couldn't convert. 12 with the big save. Point blank. Keeps it a 2-0 Gray lead. 24 tries to take it away. He does. He's got a man here. Here he's in. 17's in. Oh. Off sides. Little frustration shot there after the whistle. Once again, both of these teams won their first round robin game. There's 10 teams in this tournament. The top 5 make the A bracket. The bottom 5 make the B bracket. 5's in. Shot. Blocked off. 67 now. He's out. Up for 17. 17 tries to sauce it for 24. Taken away. Chipped in deep. Goaltender hands it off to 67. 10 coming with the forecheck. 67 controls. 67 walks it out. Taken away. 10's in. Throws it over for 5. And cover. Big chance there for Gray to go up 3-0. Five versus 24 on the draw. Chipped out by 17. Dumped in by 10. 17's there behind the goal. He carries out. Up for 24. 24, he's in. Three's on him. 24, nice move. 24's in. Shot. Ooh, tight. Rebound. 24 now. 24 in the slot for 48. 48 now in the circle. To the point. 17. First shot. Deflected by 24. 10 now in transition. 10's across. Throws across. Nobody home. 5's along the boards. 10 seconds left. To the point. 24's got a chance. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. And that's going to be it. At the end of the first period, Gray 2, Blue 0. Here we go. Start of the second period. Impressive first period by Gray, up 2-0. I'd have to say Blue would be the favorite here looking at these rosters, but Gray was impressive, up 2-0. Their goaltenders had a couple of huge saves. 24 wins the draw, over to 17. 17 throws it across. Maybe should have shot that. 24 now, bottom of the circle. 24 looking. 24 pops it. Blocked off. 24 in the slot for 48. Off of the stick. 48 now. Long shot. Wide. Hits the glass. Short side. 24 now at the blue line. Over for 17. 17. 48. It's going to pop it. 48 shot. Wide. Short side. 17. 11's on him. 17. Long shot. 17. Ooh, big pad save there. Goaltender set some big saves here. 24 now. 48. Over to 17. Ooh, by him. 17. 17. Nice gather there from some pressure from 5. 17 tries to split it. 5 takes it away. 5's in. Shot. Ooh, and nice glove. Rebound. Loose. Loose. Shot. Save again. Shot. Another save. Big saves there by the blue goaltender. Keeps it a 2-goal game. I think there blocked a couple of shots. A couple of big saves also by the goaltender. Still 2-0 Gray. 4:30 left in the second. Phone on, off the draw. 67's there. He goes up the boards for 17. 17 goes it across, trying to get there first. 10's racing. 17 battles 10. 10 pims him. 17 muscles him out of there. 17 in the circle to 24. 67 now on the boards. Nobody's on him. 67. Throws it for 17 in front. Blocked off. 5 now in transition. 5. Oh, offsides. 11. 5 coming up the rear end there. 11 was offsides. 3:40 left here. Still 2-0 Gray. Blues had a lot of opportunities, but just can't get it across the goal line. 24 versus 5. 24 wins it. 24's in. Shot. Ooh, wide. Short side on that backhander. 11. Nice outlet for 10. 10's in. Goes it across for 11. He's there. 11's in. Oh, off his stick. Had a chance. 11's there. Goes it across for 10. 10 tries to get by 67. 67 takes it away. Off for 17. He's going to pop it. 17. Long shot. Wide. 67 now. To the point at 24. 24 throws it in. Wide. 17. Shot. Blocked down. Nice save. 11 now off the boards. 17 cuts him off. 11 takes it away. 17 cuts him off. 24 long shot. Deflected. 67. Oh, huge saves here by the great goaltender. 10 now in transition. 24's on him. He's got 11 cutting. 10. Oh, had 11. 11's in. Oh! 11 from 10. I think the goaltender kind of got caught in no man's land there. Tried to go out. 11 just got it. Just a stick on it. Put it towards the goal. 3-0 Gray. Gray's looking impressive here. Gray's in again. Shot, big save. Shot, another big save. Got a piece of it. 10. 10's in. Looks to center. 17 picks it off. 17 sleepwalking out there. Up to 24. 48's in. 48 tries to drop for 24. He's knocked off. 11 up the board. 17's got to hold that. 17 over for 24. 24 trying to split them. Bouncing ball. Chipped out. 17's there. 90 seconds left in the period. Everybody's walking right now. 17 gives it up for 48. 48's in. Looks for 67. Nice break up there by 3. 67. Bouncing out to 3 now. 2 on 1. Got 5 cutting. Shot. Save. 48's got 67 going. Leaves it up. Ooh, 11. Cuts it off. 11. Over 3. 3. Shot. Blocker save. 11, 5 behind the goal. And
he's stepping on a ball, trying to shot.
Tied up. 17 needs to start running. 38 seconds left here. 67 versus 3 in the draw. Gray wins it to the point. 11. Chips it into 3. Goes in for 5. 17 now trying to go. 5's in pursuit. 17 now. 3 on 2 if they hurry. 17's in. Past 11. Puts on the brakes. 11's on him. 17 gets mine. 10 seconds. 17 shot. Huge glove save there. Goaltender just shut that down. Acted like that was a Penguin player coming in. All right, at the end of the second period, 3-0 Gray. Here we go, start of the final, third and final period. Gray up, 3-0, impressive. Blue, 60 in to 24, 24 back. Oh, nice, nice play. 67, give and go with 24. 3-1 Gray. 67 over to 24. 24 with the handle. Puts it back on 67 stick. As good as 12 is played. He couldn't get to that one. 3-1 Gray. 5:30 left. Gray's in again. 67. Got 24. 24. Right there he is. And, oh, and cover. Loose. Oh, bouncing ball there. 17 at the point. 17. Gonna pop that wrister. Shot. Block down. Rebound. Nice play by 11 to get that out. 67 was on the doorstep. 5's in now. 5's in. Here comes 17. 17. Nice break up. 5 gets it across. Save. Ooh. Nice play by 5. Gets it to 11. Big cover there. Save and cover by the blue goaltender. 5 minutes left. Bouncing ball. 67 trying to get it out. He carries. Up for 24. He leads them perfectly. 24's in. Got 67 cutting. Sauces it. Ooh, just over the stick. Goes under to 24. 24 now looking to create. 24. Ooh, in front. Oh, 67 got a piece on it. Just off the pipe. 3 dumps it in. 17's there for Blue. 4:30 left. Blue trying to come back here. Up for 48. 48 gets it across. Long shot. Gets the glass high. 24 to 48. Bouncing ball. 48 for 17. 17. Got to pop that right there. He's got to pop. Here it comes. Shot. Nice save. Glove save. 3 now. Carries that out. 3's in. And goal. (4-1 Gray). Blue kind of standing around right now. (24) wins the draw. 24. Trot. 48, chasing 10. 10. 10. Oh, 24, takes that away. Got 17 cutting. Over to 17, off the stick. 17. Back for 24. 24. Ooh, 17 on the doorstep. 17 on the doorstep. Shot, goal. 24 to 17. 17 controlled it. Fall off the defender with that offhand. 4-2 Gray. 2:45 left. Blue's got to hurry here if they're going to try to tie this thing up. 17's in. Oh, nice move. 17's in. Oh, nice back check there by 10. 17's on him. 10. 10. Nice carry. Gets to 5-17. Up to 11. 11. Leaves it for 5 perfectly. 5's in. Back to 11. Oh, bouncing ball. 17's got to get back there. What's he doing? He's cherry picking. Lead pass here for 17. And gonna be nice.
Oh, you're playing that like water, yeah?
150 and counting. Blue's got to hurry here. 24 is going to win that. 24. He's in. Got a cutter. 67. Sauces it for him. And big save, Gray. Nice pass from 24 to 67. Big save again by Gray. Gray's had some huge saves this game. 5 gets by 48. 5's in. 5 shot. Big save. Blue hands it off. Try to get it out of there. Shot. Rebound. And goal. Goaltender there was just knows they're already down 4-2. Just trying to hand it off to the defenseman. 5 got control. 5-2 Gray. We're home with the victory here. 1:15 left in the game. 11 tries to dump it up. 24 takes it away. 24. 11's on him. 24 takes it. Tries the power move. 11 cuts him off. 24. Bouncing ball at the blue line now. 48. Shot. Nice save there with the screen in front. Nice shot by 48. 67 screen. 67. 11's on him. Over for 48. He's going to pop that. 48 shot. Nice save and control. 30 seconds left here. 24 trying to win the draw himself. He does. Shot. Rebound. Shot. Loose. And cover. This will be the last drop here. 15 seconds left. 24 wins it to the draw point. 17 shot high. 67 down the corner. 11's on him. That's going to be it. 11 with the long shot. Impressive victory by Gray. Gray 5, Blue 2. Gray is now still undefeated in the round robin games. Blue right now, this blue team is 1-1.